Stepping stones, the 3-in-1 daily care guarding. More than 60% of our body's weight is supported by our feet. In the clinic, I often come across patients with flat feet, ankle injuries, and back pains. If we don't take good care of our feet, it is detrimental to our health in the long run. 3 main meridians along the soles of our feet: spleen, liver, and kidney. They control circulation and metabolism. Masseuse has beads on the arch and heel. Did you know that more than 60% of the body's weight is on the sole and heel? Clinical symptoms such as plantar fasciitis result from these pressures. Masseuse helps blood circulation and relaxation. The second insole therapist has beads that massage acupoints, stimulating our brain, heart, and kidney. For those with weak peripheral blood circulation, cold hands and feet, resulting in poor quality of sleep. These acupoints relax muscles and nerves and improve sleep. This smooth and comfortable insole stabilizer maintains the posture and shape of our feet. Stabilizer maintains the arch from eversions or inversion and sustains decompression on the feet. As for the guardian, it covers the toes and heel, preventing your feet from getting hurt. It also has separation blocks to prevent hallux valgus. Let stepping stones take care of your health.